Alright, they apparently got Penn Woodsman again. So here's his 4th attempt here. And if you could all go over and sub him. I believe he didn't, no one had a heads up, they never do. But, okay, so I've done this before, but there are new people. Okay, Penn Woodsman does camping, fishing, bug out stuff, supplies, things that you'd need, survival stuff. Great videos. Shows you how to identify things out there. He's just all around a wonderful person, you know. So he's a prepper. He's a really good one though. But anyways, that's the kind of things you're gonna find on his channel. And thank you, Joanne Steen 2 channel, for sending the link. Our sister who sent it over, and I'm sharing it. So I'll see you all soon. Okay. God bless you all. And don't forget Penn. So, and tell them I sent you. Thanks. Bye-bye.